Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Prime. This is Michael, and today in this video I am going to show you an amazing platform. Every day you will see platforms, tokens, coins, programs, everything included. Amazing projects. So just follow this video from the beginning to the end to understand all about this project. See you soon after this intro. Hello guys, nice to meet you again. So before start, don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. I am happy to see you again. So in this video I will show you an amazing token. Just follow this video from the beginning to the end to understand all about this project. So let's get started with this amazing project. It calls Dwif coin. So this is an amazing meme coin. As you see here, he is left. This is Dwif. So Dwif is one of the best token for this month. You can invest on it. I will put the links under this video's description if you are really interested in cooperating with this project. So the meme is Dwif. You can call it Dogwifhat. It means that hat here. So let's move to the about account story of Dwif. This is the story of the LIFTOFF. You can read it carefully. When Kabosu, the original dog, passed away, her cosmic energy collided with Elon Musk, Tesla, etc. You can read all this information. The dreams here. So the streams also here. You can move to the browse Dwif meme collection. As you see here, many nfts for this amazing coin, the Dwif of the stream. Also the contract here, you can, if you have any other question, you can you can just ask admins here on X, Twitter, and this one connect with Dogwifhat community. So it is one of the best project for me. I will advise you to invest on this platform. So Dwif is amazing one. So you can buy it on Radium, you can buy it on Jupiter, you can buy it on Dex Scanner, you can buy it in the Dex stores, and you can compare the market cap also. So here is the account. You can just connect your wallet with this token. After that, click OK, and you can just buy it. I will refresh and let's see, because the net it's a little bit low. So click connect here, click understand, and you can choose how much Dwif you want to buy. For example, 0.01 Solana, it equals almost 4,263 Dwif. It's really ampersand. So I don't have insufficient balance for me. So you can also buy it on the Jupiter. So this is the price, 0.002. Here is the details of the swap. You can also buy how much you want for on swap. For example, 0.01 equal 427 Dwif, and you should first connect your wallet and choose it from here: Phantom, MetaMask, software, etc. Also you can buy it on Dex Scanner. So here you can buy it with Solana also, and amazing token. So it is really good. Dex tools also you can buy it on it. It's like amazing ways. They have amazing and too many ways, too many platforms where you can buy Dex tools. So here is also you can compare the market cap between this amazing Dwif, and for the market cap here, all information about this project you can just find it here. You can buy it, you can compare it with Dwif, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USDT, BNB, every other coin. It's just a matter of connection, because I have a loud connection. So for today, let's now move to how you can figure it out some social media like X, Twitter, and this one also. So here is the X, the Telegram, the linker here. You can just move to the official websites here. So the official account on Dogwifhat on X is here, 3,000 followers. You can see here some posts about the project. Some you can also register and you can follow them. So the official account on Telegram, you can open it here and click verify. After that, click this link and you will join directly to the platform. So if you have any other question, you can just ask the admin here. We'll find it here, and for sure you can contact him directly and you can ask him any question if you have, for sure. So it is amazing meme token. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. Don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos, and see you soon. Goodbye.